Hi, I'm Jack Weir with Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to take a look at the 27B 2019 Thor, beautiful coach inside and out. This is the Windsport model. It does have an exterior TV, so outside viewing, full electric awning. It does come equipped with a 4.0 kilowatt awning generator. It is a gas powered generator, runs right off the tank of the motorhome itself. Inside we've got a full sofa here that does convert into the sleeper. Got a full dinette over here that converts into a sleeper, as well as an overhead bunk. So you've got a massive amount of sleeping capacity in this vehicle. Television directly across from the sofa for easy viewing. Got a really nice information center here. A nice passenger table for computers or whatever it is you want to do as you're driving. One push on the leveling. Moving back here, you got a nice three-way Norcold refrigerator freezer, full Corian countertops, double sink, and they are stainless. Nice microwave oven, flush mount 3-burner cooktop, and gas range. Moving to the back. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention right here. This is your information and control center. This will do all your leveling, slides, and everything else. Pocket door closes off your bedroom compartment. Got a nice usable wardrobe that does hide your portable table that goes right in between your front seats. Full pull on all of the cabinetry. Nice full bathroom, shower, plenty of room in the shower. And moving into here, you have a full king-size walk-around bed, over the bed cabinets, and then you've got openable windows on each side of the head, so you've got good pass-through ventilation. You've got a nice television directly across from your bed. This is a really nice coach, great price point on it. Perfect to get your kids out and take a weekend off. Any questions, give me a call, Jack Weir, 541-654-1820, or email me at jack.weir@guarantee.com. Thank you.